How to quickly make a 3D emoticon package is actually very simple. Let's take a look. Everyone knows that VideoAE software comes with models and sticker materials, so when we make emoticons, we only need to click Make GIF directly. Enter the interface and add a 3D model layer. Add a model and import the model file yourself. Here I directly choose Shop. There are many models here. Don't look at the VIP free category. In fact, the models are all free. Choose a model you like, download it and use it. It may take a while for the first download. Go back to the production page and adjust the position of the model. Here I move it to the middle. The expression package must be animated. So here I click transform to set a keyframe animation for the star to rotate around the y-axis. You can see the stars spinning in the preview. If you feel that the picture is monotonous, you can add a few more models. Here I directly copy the star model. Change the size and move it to the side. Click Models below to enter texture. You can also change the texture and change the color of the stars. Stickers can also be downloaded and used in the shop. Or for free, you can replace the picture here to change the color of the model or paste your own photo. Of course, adding text is indispensable to the emoticon pack. Add appropriate text according to the picture. You can open the 3D button for the text and then paste a shiny picture. The text is enriched if necessary. You can add some dynamic stickers or set keyframe animations for the text. How about it? Is it easy to make emoticons? Come and try it.